Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. I struggle every single month to remember what month it is. It's crazy. But this is Boxycharm for the month of July. Boxycharm retails for $21 every month. There are other options you can do, but this is the base box. It comes with 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size, deluxe size samples, and this is what the box looks like. So opening it up on the inside, here's what we got going on. What is that big box right there? Okay, so you do get this card. They haven't been putting the prices on the last few months, so I don't think, oh, they did, sweet. Okay, so thank you, Boxycharm. It looks like they actually have been listening. I know I complain about it a lot with not getting the information on the card, and I think pretty much everyone else I watched do these also does. So they did put the product list and price on the back, and it looks like the theme of this month is sunshine. We've got like a pool with some lemons beside it, so that's a fun time. So the first thing on here is by Grace and Stella. It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. These are eye masks, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. I hate the word mask. It just sounds weird, especially masks. I don't know, maybe I just say it weird, but I hate it. There are 12 pairs in here, so that's awesome. I don't know, it is cruelty free and vegan, paraben free and sulfate free, which is awesome. It also has a 12-month shelf life. This retails for $21 for 12 masks. That's not too bad. Eye masks can kind of be pricey sometimes. There's also some pretty cheap ones. So this is about normal. Okay, I can't open it. Oh, it smells weird. Why is this not? It's like the plastic is in the box. It's weird. You see what I mean? Like, can you see how it's like in? Yeah, you can. That's weird. Okay, so they look like this. It's in a gold, ooh, they're gold. It's in a gold packaging, and they are little gold eye masks. So we'll definitely try these out. I love doing these right before bed. I'm pretty bad about actually doing face masks, but I definitely love doing the eye ones. So I'll check that out for sure. Next thing is by 111 Skin or 111 Skin, 111 Skin, I don't know, 3 Skin. This is the Pollution Defense Booster, which does what for me? Multi-action protection against pollutants and screen-emitted artificial visible light. That might be good for me. I work in retail, but I'm like behind a computer desk 99% of my day, so. The essential booster utilizes defense peptides and antioxidants to safeguard skin from damaging effects of daily aggressors in order to maintain a healthy complexion. Shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. Okay, I actually am kind of excited about this. I literally work on the computer all day, so, and then I film videos after, and I'm on my phone or playing Animal Crossing because I'm addicted the rest of my free time. So I am definitely on electronics a lot, so this is cool. I will definitely try it. My gosh. This retails for $135, you guys. 130, that is a, okay. It's 20 milliliters for $135 or 0.68 full ounces. Fluid ounces. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressors in the digital age, against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. I'm excited about that, but I also don't want to love it because I don't want to pay for that. Okay, next we got this palette. This is by Pure. This is the Festival 2.0 12-piece pressed pigment palette. I'm gonna be honest, I don't love the brand Pure for their eyeshadows. I love their foundation. I'm actually wearing it right now. So good. But their eyeshadows are okay. They had a Trolls palette, not the like new ones, the little ones, but they're like when the first Trolls movie came out. I loved that palette. But the rest of them I'm kind of like, they're okay, but I have other stuff in my palette that I like a lot more. Ew. So that shadow's broken, this one here, and it got everywhere. Can you even see? Yeah, like it's kind of everywhere, but it broke. Okay, so let's swatch some of these. This retails for $36 and you get 12 shades, so $4 a shade. Oh yeah, that's really broken. Ugh. I'm gonna swatch that because it's really broken. It's the shade VIP Pass. Fantasy World is pretty. I'm gonna do this one too, Pure Blitz. These feel really nice. I'm not swatching the best. Let's do a matte. Let's do Turn It Up. So you got a matte hot pink. Not the best swatches in the world, but not bad. I am a little bit nervous about this shade because it is very crumbly. Like very crumbly. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side and stop messing with it so I don't make it any worse than it already is, but I'm not the most excited about that, but that's okay. The next thing in here is by Dose. It's a Fierce and Fine graphic pen. It's weird that it's not in packaging. $21 for this. A deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that's easy and effortless to apply. It's a felt tip, thicker thin lines, amount of pressure, blah, blah, blah. Are you black? Yeah, it's just a black eyeliner. It's really, really black though. Yeah. Seems like a nice pen. And the last thing in here, ooh, Hourglass. This is the Brow Micro Sculpting Pen, the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pen in dark brunette. Sweet. Okay, I was like, they're probably gonna give me a blonde shade, but no, it's dark brunette, so it's gone forever. No, I have like under my desk just like a pile of boxes that I just use for like Christmas presents or whatever. It just fell in there, so I'm gonna find it. I'll be right back. And I found it. So here is what it looks like. It's their traditional like brown packaging. You do get a doe foot on one side and, ooh, weird. It's like oval shaped. I have no idea if you're gonna be able to see that or not. Yeah, can you see like how it's like oval shaped? That's weird. Ooh, a little scratchy. Might not be the best color wise. Actually, that's not bad. Just fill in the front there real quick. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm super pumped about this. Like, I'm really excited. I don't have a lot of Hourglass products, and everything I do have has come from Boxycharm, so I'm always super excited to get Hourglass. But quick recap, brow pen I am super stoked about. Love that. The super expensive whatever this is, I'm excited about. I don't know, I kind of want to like put some on the back of my hand, but I also don't want to waste any of this, but I'm gonna smell it. Woo! It smells like alcohol. Yeah, woo! That's intense. Okay. Not alcohol, but like kind of alcohol, like makeup remover kind of. The Festival palette, I don't know. I don't know that I'll use this very often. I wish the shade wasn't broken. I'm gonna have to clean this palette up some, but I'll try it out. I think I'm gonna go back to the way I used to do these videos and actually like try on all the products for you guys in the videos. Let me know if you want me to do that, because I will. But if you don't want to see that, also let me know. Which do you guys prefer? And the eye masks I'm excited about. I love them. So, I mean, I don't know about this one. I've never tried these, but I love trying eye masks. So, that's it. Overall, I think this is a pretty good box. The only thing I'm not like super stoked about is this. Oh, also we got the eyeliner, which seems really cool. I don't know what I did with it already though, but we got an eyeliner. So yeah, that's everything. If you guys are enjoying these Boxycharm unboxings or unboxings in general, let me know by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.